Okay, guys, I promised you guys another squishy, and this is what I got. A coconut oil squishy. It's like never a circle. There you are. Yeah. And it is so good. See that?
Stays in shape.
Stays in shape, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. I got it off of Amazon. Make sure you look at the reviews. But so it was a 4.5 out of 5. Oh my gosh. Such a good texture. Now you squish it. So good. Love it. I would get it on Amazon.